One of the styles on my challenge list is chignon for long hair with a single hair stick. And there are no further instructions than that. There is no video on it. I can't find any reference to it. So I started thinking about how I would do a chignon with a hair stick, and this is what I came up with. I'm going to start with a ponytail, low on the neck, towards the nape of the neck, because a chignon is a bun that is low like this. And then I'm going to take a hair stick, and ideally a very plain and simple hair stick, but I can't find my super plain one. I have this one with a dangly on it. Put it behind the ponytail, well, maybe a little bit up. And then start rolling your hair from the top, and make sure that you have this, you maintain this sort of pocket. Okay, so there you still have this hole through here. You're going to take a regular hair elastic, loop it around one side of the hair stick, pull it through that loop, and then hook it on the other side of the hair stick. So there is one version of a chignon for long hair. However, I just ran across another version, so I'm going to show you one that I found on JJJ's channel that is another way to do a nice poofy chignon with one hair stick. I also think with this one it would look nice to have a little something decorative at the top. So I could add a flexi or a fork up here, or I can try seeing whether I can do a flexi for the stick part. So I'm going to try that out. I'm going to get my biggest size, the Mega, and still hang on to the ponytail holder. Okay, so roll it from the top. Stick this through as the hair stick. Put the elastic on. Actually, let me see if I can close it. Elastic on here, through the loop, out onto this side, to even that up a little bit, but let's see, then you have the decorative part kind of built in. Okay, so this one also starts with the ponytail. It also wraps in a slightly different way. So start here and begin wrapping. Then off, put our hair stick through, and then she took this part, pulled it loose, and went over the top. So that gives it the puffy chignon look. Let me take a picture so I can see how it looks. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. little bit of practice, and I think that would make a really nice chignon. Can get it all the way over to cover the hair stick. So there's two options for you to try in making a long hair chignon.